Pause. You have 9 minutes. I know you do. You have 9 minutes to scroll through your phone. 9 minutes to wait for your coffee. 9 minutes to stare at the wall and wonder when your life will change. I'm telling you, it can change right now. Forget the hours at the gym you think you need. Forget the complicated workouts that leave you confused and defeated before you even start. The power to transform your health, your body, and your mind can be unlocked in just 9 minutes a day. And all it takes is a bicycle. This isn't a gimmick. This is a promise. A promise that you can reclaim your energy and build a stronger, healthier you. Why a bike? It's simple. It's low impact. It's brutally effective. Cycling gets your heart pumping, the foundation of all fitness. A strong heart means a strong body. Better circulation, lower blood pressure, reduced risk of chronic diseases. It's a cardiovascular powerhouse. But it doesn't stop there. It builds lean muscle in your legs, your glutes, your core, without the joint-pounding stress of running. It torches calories, helping you shed the weight that, TM's been holding you back physically and mentally. But later, that's TM's be real. The biggest benefits are not TMT just physical. What happens when you push through that moment you want to quit? You build mental toughness. You prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. That feeling of accomplishment after a ride, even a short one, is a powerful drug. It boosts your mood. It melts away stress. It gives you the confidence to tackle the rest of your day. You woo-wah, to me, are not just pedaling. You are pedaling towards a new version of yourself. Capable, resilient, in control. The beauty of this plan is its simplicity. It's designed to stick because it's realistic. I'm not asking you to overhaul your entire life overnight. I'm asking for 9 minutes. Anyone can find 9 minutes. The goal here is not perfection. It's consistency. Showing up for those 9 minutes, day after day, is what creates the change. It's the small, steady drip of effort that carves the canyon. So, are you ready to see what you can accomplish? Are you ready to stop making excuses and start making progress? Good. Let's get to work. Pause. Before you can start this journey, you need a bike. Don't let this part intimidate you. You do not need the fanciest, most expensive bike. Forget the $1,000 racing bikes. Your focus is on function, not flash. The best bike is the one you will actually use. Stationary bike in your basement. Simple hybrid for neighborhood paths. Basic mountain bike. It must work and fit you. Hybrid. Comfort of a cruiser. Efficiency of a road bike. Versatile for paved paths and light trails. Seated. Balls of your feet should touch the ground. Pedaling. Slight, comfortable knee bend at the bottom. If it doesn't feel right, it's not right. Ask for help at a local bike shop. Pause. Now that you have your bike, let's talk about gear. I see people decked out in expensive spandex, fancy clip-in shoes, and that's fine if it motivates you. But for this plan, you need very little. Essential number 1. A helmet. No helmet, no ride. Make sure it's level, snug, and the chin strap is secure. Next is visibility. Wear bright colors, avoid dark tones, especially at dawn, dusk, or overcast days. Use a reflective vest and front white light with a rear red light. Wear clothes that let you move and wick sweat. Polyester or merino, not cotton. Any comfy closed-toe athletic shoes work. Tie and tuck your laces. Padded shorts help but aren't required. Always bring water, even for 9 minutes. If outside, carry a spare tube, mini pump, tire levers. Learn flats. Simple saves the day. Remember, helmet, bright clothing, and a bike that works. Pause. You wouldn't start a car in freezing weather and immediately redline the engine, would you? So why do that to your body? A proper warm-up is not optional. It prepares muscles, joints, and your cardiovascular system. Heart rate rises, blood flows, injury risk drops. Skipping warm-up is lazy, dangerous, and a surefire way to end your journey early. We'll spend the first 3 minutes warming up. Before you get on, 1 minute of movement. Leg swings forward, back and side, high knees, a few gentle squats. Not static, holds yet. Then 2 minutes on the bike, spin with no resistance. Sit tall, shoulders down, light core. Use the lowest resistance or easiest gear. You should feel like you could do this for hours. Practice deep belly breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale slowly through your mouth. Calm your system, deliver oxygen. By minute 3, heart rate is up slightly. Muscles feel warm. Now, and only now, you're ready. Next, strategic intervals. Short, sharp, efficient. Pause. Warm-up done. Your body is ready. Now the real work begins. Don't panic. This isn't about destroying yourself, it's strategic effort. We're using intervals. Short bursts of higher intensity followed by recovery. The most efficient way to build fitness and fast recovery. The core block, 4 minutes. It'll challenge you and fly by. Pattern, 2 rounds. At minute 3 of your ride, increase intensity. Stationary, add a few levels. Outside, shift harder or find a gentle incline. You should feel it. Legs burning, breath choppy. Push a full 60 seconds. Then minute 5, reduce to very easy. Active recovery. Do not stop pedaling. Let your heart rate settle. Inhale deep, exhale fully. Prepare for the next push. At minute 6, go again. The second and final push. You know the feeling. Attack it. Increase resistance or gear. Give it everything for 1 minute. It may feel harder. Normal. Muscles are fatigued. The mental game matters. Fight the urge to quit. Push to the 7-minute mark. When it ends, you did it. The hardest part is over. The last 2 minutes are your cool down. Pedal very slowly with almost no resistance. Let your heart rate return toward normal. Prevent pooling in your legs. Avoid dizziness. Signal to your body. Work is done. Recovery begins. Reflect. You kept your promise. Now stretch. Hold 20-30 seconds each. No bouncing. Breathe and release. Hydrate. Thank your body. Real-world note. Lights save lives. Be seen. Ride with traffic. Obey signals. Make eye contact at intersections. Persistent pain in knees, hips, or low back? Check fit. Seat too high, low? Bars too far? Get a pro fit if needed. Add 2 to 3 short strength sessions weekly. Squats, lunges, glute bridges, planks. You'll ride stronger and safer. Pause. You conquered the 9-minute plan. You showed up. You did the work. You should be proud. Turn one victory into a habit. Consistency is the secret sauce. 9 minutes once is good. 3 or 4 times a week is life-changing. Don't hope to find time, book it. Put it on your calendar. After a week or 2, it gets easier. That's your cue to progress. Options. Add 1 more push, turn 9 into 11, raise resistance, bump cadence, or extend work to 75s. Change 1 variable at a time. Track rides and how you felt. Felt strong today. Second interval tough, finished. Evidence fuels motivation. On tough days, your log reminds you how far you've come. Your effort is paying off. Keep going. Pause. We've covered a lot. The 9-minute promise, the right bike, essential gear, the step-by-step plan. How to progress, stay motivated, and stay safe. This isn't just a workout, it's a gateway. A small first step to a stronger, healthier, more confident you. Cool down seals the session. Slow spin, heart rate down, then stretch. Quads, hamstrings, calves, 20 to 30 seconds each. Today, you have a choice. Go back to later or decide you are worth 9 minutes. Find a bike, put on your shoes, start pedaling. The path to better health is built on small, consistent actions. Your challenge, 9 minutes a day for 7 days. See how you feel. I promise, the person who finishes that week won't be the same as the one who started. The power is in your hands. Now go claim it.